Welcome to Boomer Technology Basics. Each video will have a quick lesson on basic technology skills for seniors. iPhone basics, making phone calls and text messaging. The iPhone is a handheld computer that can do almost all things a laptop can. Basic apps that come preloaded on your phone include the phone app for calling, text messaging, Safari to browse the internet, email, weather, and many more that you can explore. To make a phone call, click on this icon. You will notice a menu on the bottom that allows you to set favorite contacts, see recent calls, view contacts, dial using a keypad, or view voicemails. When ready to make a call, after dialing the number, click the green phone. If using stored contacts, click the contact icon, choose their name, and then click the blue phone icon to place a call. 3 steps to send a text message. Number 1, click the text icon. Number 2, select a previous contact on the messages list. Or to start a new message to a new person, click the pen and paper located in the top right-hand corner. In the messages bar, type your message and click the blue or green up arrow to send. If you want to send pictures stored on your phone, click this icon. To take a new picture to send, click the camera icon located here. These are basic skills to send text messages and pictures through text messaging. Continue to explore all that these apps can do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Boomer Technology Basic videos.